everyone, and welcome to PC Tips Pro. If your Gmail inbox is overflowing with sales emails, offers, newsletters, and other stuff you never asked for, then you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to get rid of promotional emails in Gmail and keep them coming from back. So, let's jump right in. Gmail automatically organizes incoming mail into tabs like primary, social, and promotional. The promotion tabs is where most marketing and sales emails go, and that's where we will start the cleaning process. So, firstly, go to the promotions tab in your Gmail inbox and click the checkbox at the top to select all the emails on that page. Then on the right side, click on the select all conversations in promotions. This selects everything in the tab. Now just click on the trash can icon to delete them all in one go. Just confirm it. And well, now it's done, and your inbox just got a major cleanup. Now, the next step is to stop them from coming back. So, open any promotional email and then look for the unsubscribe button, which is usually at the top near the sender's name or at the bottom of the message. So, click it and then confirm it, and you're unsubscribed. This is one of the simplest ways to reduce promo clutter permanently. Next, you can also use Gmail filters to automatically delete or archive future promotional emails. So, for that, just open any promotional email and then go to the right side and click on the three dot menu and then choose the filter messages like this option. And after that, you'll see something like this. So now you have to click on the create filter option, which is near the search option. Now from here you can choose options like delete it, keep the inbox, or apply a label. Now once you've selected that, just click on the create filter, and this is great for emails that don't offer an unsubscribe option or just keep coming back even after you unsubscribe. Now, if you want to target a specific sender, just type their name into the search bar, then delete or filter all of their messages at once. And well, that's it. Now you know how to delete promotional emails, unsubscribe from annoying lists, and stop spam from flooding your inbox. So, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box. Thank you and have a nice day.